Beraves Team recently visited a few sourcing factories that specialize in baby and children products made from blowmolding. Without further ado, let's take a look at their products and factories. I've also put the blowmolding process at the end of the video, so if you're interested in it, make sure you watch till the end. Also remember to subscribe to our channel to learn more about imported goods from China. If you're looking for a solid supply for babies and children's products, Beraves can be your expected purchasing agent. We could help you to get the latest product with solid quality. Beraves also provides one-stop service, including negotiating with the supplier, placing the order, and arranging the shipment, so that you can receive your goods with no problem.